analysts are looking for adoption when it comes to those AI assistants and other AI tools. Is that something very important to you as an investor? Are you watching that as well?
Yeah, of course. And in the last quarter's call, going backwards, Benioff did not say anything about guidance on AI moving forward. So the next fiscal year, the revenue guidance was lowered, but they're not factoring AI into that.
All right, so not factoring AI into that. The key metric, according to analysts, is that current remaining performance obligation, often seen as kind of a read on demand. It's basically, the things that we're still having to do, but we're expecting to get paid for. That 11% mark, if they're able to top it, does that give you more confidence as an investor? Are you possibly looking to get even more into Salesforce? Because right now, it's kind of trading in line with the S&P. We haven't seen that big jump that we've seen from a lot of these so-called AI players.
Yeah, no, of course. So Salesforce, they've beaten their earnings per share expectations every quarter since August of 2020, and clearly management is good at managing expectations. The last 3 quarters, the subsequent couple of days, this is interesting, the subsequent couple of trading days, Salesforce has been up 6% last quarter, 2 days after, 13%, 2 days after the previous quarter, and 3% after that. So we see, assuming they beat expectations, then we're looking at a good pop in the stock price.
A good pop that would make you want to increase how much you hold, or just continue to hold and hopefully enjoy that appreciation?
Increase. And it's something that just actually happened yesterday, which might not be a positive for Salesforce, is that HubSpot, David Faber confirmed that Alphabet's in talks of acquiring HubSpot, which is a competitor of Salesforce, and Microsoft Dynamics is the other competitor. So, that's concerning for them, and we'll see what they have to say, any kind of commentary on that.
Right. A competitor, but in all fairness, Salesforce by far the leader when it comes to CRM software.
Yeah, no question. They're at 30% market share, so it's not really even close. But, there's competitors coming in. And, with Salesforce and enterprise data, they're in this unique position with respect to being one of the largest repositories of enterprise data in the world. They have data, unique data, client customer data that other firms don't. And when you're in the AI space, obviously data is the most important part of, it's the end product. So, it's going to be hard for other companies to catch them at this point. And with their price not really seeing the jump that other tech companies have this year, it looks like it's a unique position.
Matt, speaking of data, the deal for Informatica didn't work out, but the consensus seems to be that Salesforce is still in the market for an acquisition. You mentioned the HubSpot acquisition by Alphabet. Were you in favor, not in favor of the Informatica deal? I know it didn't go through. And how do you feel about possible M&A going forward for this company?
They've been aggressive with company buyouts and M&A. It's with that not moving forward, I don't think it's going to have put any kind of pressure on Salesforce. It's one area of the company is their data cloud segment. It's $400 million in revenue, and it's doubled year over year. So we're looking to see some updates here and see what they have to say in this area more than anywhere else.